Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at a 6-inch portable USB desk fan. This was very kindly sent out to me by the manufacturer. I'll link it down below if you want to pick it up. If I can't get a discount code, I will link that down below as well. I have the black one here, but they also do a white color and a pink one. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. Okay, a quick look at the box. So high airflow, low noise, energy efficient. It has a 6,700 milliamp hour battery. Some information at the back here. So the second one applies to this one. 6,700 milliamp hour battery. And it has 3 speeds. So speed 1, you get 23 hours. Speed 2, 9.5 hours. And speed 3, 5.5 hours. But you do, of course, have the option to run it with a Type-C cable as well. It's letting us know the weight there as well. Excuse the packaging, I put it back in. Of course, we have been using it. So inside we get an instruction booklet, which you won't really need, will you? And Type-C cable, and then the fan itself. So here it is, the 6-inch USB desk fan. And have a look at the bottom first. It has 4 rubber pads. You could wall mount it as well. Kingston lock, Type-C charging port. Over here it has these 3 indicators. That's the on-off switch. If I just turn it on, I'll show you the light up there. Just turn it off. That's what it looks like from the back. It does rotate to 90 degrees. Build quality is good. 5 blades. The grill can be removed to clean the blades. To remove it, just push on it and twist it left. Oops. Then you've got access to the blades. To put it back on, you would already go on one way. It's got these markings, and the grill has these little markings as well that will match on. You just push it on and twist it to the right side. It's on. This has to be the easiest fan in terms of taking the grill off to clean the blades that we've ever used. Okay, I'm going to go quiet now and I'll go from 1 to 3 so you could pick up the sound of it. So speed 1, speed 2, and then speed 3. So it's slightly louder at speed 3. And push it again, it goes off. But it's not that loud. A shortcut way to turn it off rather than going through 1, 2, 3. I've got it on 1. You just hold the button down for 2 seconds and it goes off. So we've been using this fan and we absolutely like it. My kids really like it. They keep taking it from each other. Best part about it is it's portable, and because it has a Type-C port, it charges up quickly as well. And you don't even need a power plug to charge it. If you've got your computer nearby, you could charge it with that, or if you have a powerful power bank, you could charge it with that. It's a really good product, this. We really like it. I'll link it down below. I will also leave the discount code as well if you want to pick it up. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.